out to my first job and only job today. It's gonna be two places actually. It's a bedroom in the main house, and then it's for a winery actually, but they have an inn on it and all that. So then we're gonna move on over and do the clean the inn. So it's all carpet. The home is wool, so we're gonna use a carpet detail on that. That's great on wool. And then we're gonna head over there and do the next job. We're gonna also use the same, and then hopefully everything goes quickly. So I'm going. Alright, so do my pre-spray. I'm go ahead and do my scrubbing with my multi-wash, and I definitely vacuumed before I started. So it's wool carpet, so try not to get it too wet. Good agitation, not too aggressive with your chemicals, and wool safe product helps. So stay tuned. Always drive by on a highway and see that big old house. Hopefully one day I can clean that one. It's got to be like 10,000 square feet or something. Anyway, this is finished results for this wool carpet. You can tell it came out beautiful. I don't want to walk over it, but 99.9% of the spots came out. Well, I say 98% of the spots came out. There's some stuff that's just too tough. It's gonna take a little bit too much work. So, all right, I'm gonna head off to the next job. Stay tuned. All right, so at the end, those microfiber towels right there, while I'm thinking about it, get them at Lowe's, whole bunch of them. They're not really big, but they're great for wiping up after yourself. But you don't want to treat stains or anything like that with a colored rag. Just so you know, just use white. Or else you might turn the carpet green or yellow. Oh. This is a nice place. Things are starting to open back up, so she's getting ready. She's gonna have me out here to clean both places once every 3 months. So that's awesome. Brenda's vacuuming. The customers already got all the 90% of the stuff out of the room, so that's great. I just got to move the tables or the beds back and forth. She does want underneath the beds done, but they got rollers. It makes it easy. So this is a nice nylon carpet, so it's not gonna be as tough as that last one. The other one wasn't so tough, but I did have to do a lot of little spots and stains because actually the carpet cleaner she used before to clean that wool left it way too wet. I left some browning and stuff all through it. So I told her, you know, that was the issue there, and she was happy she picked me because I knew what I was talking about. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray everything, and stay tuned. All right. I'm going to treat this. Let it dwell as I'm cleaning. See if that works. Looks like it's probably been there too long, but we'll give it a chance. I like those side brushes on there because it just gives that much more width to your scrub. It just means a quicker job. So, all right, I'm gonna turn on the machine with the one all hooked up, ready to go. knock out these stairs and wrap it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you in the next video. And you'll see a lot more of this beautiful landscaping, reviews and stuff. I'd like to get a few more of these type of clients.